All right, this is just a quick tutorial on how to import sound fonts into Halion. There are a couple different ways you can do this. Searching around YouTube, I could not find any tutorials specific to importing sound fonts into Halion. So you're going to want to be in the load in the browser, the Halion browser. The browser is going to give you a lot of control and or visibility of what's inside the sound font. So let's say we've got some libraries here. There's one called Synths and Keys. So inside of this sound font, you've got multiple presets, and each preset is going to represent a program inside of Halion, and it'll let you dig down into the samples of the preset, and it'll let you browse and preview each sample. I'm just going to demonstrate here pulling in the whole preset into a program and doing a quick little conversion. You can also just pull the samples out and drag them into the mapper and kind of start from scratch, but you won't obviously get the sound font preset itself. So all you need to do is find the preset you want. I'm actually going to grab, let's do air strings, and it's got 5 different string samples here. So you just drag it into a program slot and it's done. Now if you notice, if you go back into the program tree, you'll see that the program's now been named to air strings, and if you hit the layer drop down, you've got all the samples that it just imported. If you go into the mapper, you'll see all those samples mapped across here. And from here, you can change it from a sample zone to any other zone type, and you can start customizing and tweaking from there. You can also drag from your operating system browser. So let's say you have a sound font that is only one preset, and you can drag it into a slot, and that's just as easy. You won't be able to preview anything or really see what's inside the sound font, but if you know which one you want, that's just as easy.